The markets is open. I repeat, the markets is open. We are ready to play the game. So, what's happened? What's going on? So, I'll start off with the boring of the bunch. I don't think it's right of me to say that, but unfortunately it is true. So, GJ, nothing's happened yet. We're still just at this range near the top. And then Nasdaq is soon to be going up. We're still above our sell zone. So our marked sell zone, I should say. Our marked sell zone from the daily time frame. So nothing yet. And then now gold. So pretty much the 4 hours just closed, literally just 13 minutes ago. Right now the time is 3:14. So what has happened? So pretty much the 4 hours closed in the direction following the daily, because the dailies still kept in the range. Now what I'm looking for is an entry signal to be able to get into a potential trade. Now here's where it gets sticky, right? Because okay, once the 1 hour closes, then can say, okay, we're gonna get in. But until then, we can't get in. So we gotta wait. Alright, so this system that is taking place right now is called No More Power Protocol. So pretty much it's the dailies has either closed back in the range or kept in the range for price to basically go to the bottom of the range or the top of the range, depending on where we are at. So now obviously the 4 hours closed back inside of the range, giving us stronger confirmation. Now the daily and the 4 hours in sync. Now all we're waiting for is just confirmation on the 1 hour and the 30-minute to be able to enter. Because there could be situations where, for example, the 1 hour or the 30-minute comes back into a smaller range, closes back bullish in a smaller range in this case, and pretty much just takes us out the trade. So yeah, we just have to wait and see. And yeah, we'll go from there. But I'm currently looking for sells at around, I would say either 77, anywhere between 77 and 82. If we get 82, it's better. But yeah. So now I'm just gonna wait. I'll probably be up until like 5 o'clock. No, 5 o'clock's the stretch. Yeah, maybe 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. If we get in the trade, then 5 o'clock. If we don't get in the trade, then yeah, 4:15, I'm in the bed. I'm gonna try to sleep as much as I can. So yeah, we should have an update shortly. We are in the position, and I know I said that I'll be in bed, but I mean, I'm on the bed, but I'm not sleeping yet. I'll sleep, but I'll just quickly show you. So we're in the position. It took us to wait until probably like 4:30, and then we got into the position. So as of now, we're currently like this. I don't know if you can see that properly. And then I also took the trade on my experimental account for reasons that I'll explain when we get there. But actually, I can explain it now pretty much. So I just want to kind of figure out how price action sort of reacts. How price action reacts 2 hours after the 4-hour close, or in between that gap of 1 hour 30 to 2 hour gap when the 4-hour closes, and kind of like see the differences. Because I know the difference when the first with the first hour. So normally I've seen price move whenever you're in between the first hour of the 4-hour open. So yeah, we'll wait and see how it plays out. But yeah, now I've done everything I needed to do. It's literally time to go to sleep now, because tomorrow today I start at 3, and we need to recharge because we have not recharged at all. And yeah, I will have an update when we are awake. Currently 10:26. 10:28. Just a quick market update. So price did come down, but it looks like we're rejecting now. So we might see a retest at 78. And that's currently the situation. I'm waiting for the 1 hour to close. And then we'll see what happens. But I think because of my lack of sleep, that's why I've got a bit of energy right now. Like, I can't even. I'm struggling to continue sleeping, but anyways, we've got like an hour and a half before I need to prepare for work. It's crazy. I don't even have the updated rota, so I don't know what time I'm starting. So I'm just gonna go there at 3 o'clock. If I start early, I start early. I mean, if I start, then I'll start. But if not, then I don't know. We'll see what we do. But yeah, I can't lie. Something's telling me to close the position, but I'm gonna wait for candle confirmations. Okay, so the 30-minute just closed. So we'll see what we'll do. But you see, because it rejected like this, I'm thinking, alright, cool. Maybe we need to buy. But I'm just gonna wait it out, because we rejected this place multiple times now. So yeah, I'm gonna wait it out and we'll see. Because at this rate now, I'm gonna use the 30-minute for confirmation, because we know that it's a bullish trend. So yeah, we'll see. Remember, the 1 hour hasn't closed yet, so yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this area gets invalidated. But yeah, anyways, I'm chilling. I'm gonna try and sleep again. I just thought I'd give a quick update before I try and nap again. I don't really want to miss the 4-hour close. So I'll probably be back up in like half an hour. Yeah, I'll be back up in half an hour. We found the solution to the problem, right? Basically, when I was uploading the videos to Google Drive, it was building up. It's called cache. I'm gonna find out what cache means. I don't know what it means right now, but I feel like it means, from what I think it means like history, and all that data just gets saved on during the transfer. So what I have to do is I have to delete the Google Drive and then download it again. So anyways, I'm getting ready for work. I've closed the gold cells, but I think that I could have closed it in a better position. So it's fine. A lesson for next time. But yeah, now I'm getting ready for work. I'm going to work at 3. I don't know if I start work at 3, but we'll find out. So, yes, you know what? One moment. All right, we're back. So, I'm currently on the phone with Lorenzo. We was just speaking about life, trading. You want to say what's up to the guys?
They're here waiting for some signal, bro. First a signal to enter to make 1 billion, maybe 2.
Jeez! Let's go.
Let's see now, gold just reversed. I mean, could have, let's see. Tomato indicates the sellers are losing power, imagine.
Yeah, that's why I closed my position, because I thought, like, okay, there's kind of a liquidity area at there was a liquidity area around 80 something, and then there was another liquidity area at my entry. So I thought, okay, that's why I said to myself, okay, how would I feel if I closed the position? And then, because I asked myself that many times, I said, yeah, okay, I'm gonna close the position. And then, yeah, like I said to you guys, I think I could have closed it much better, but yeah, a lesson for next time. I should have waited for the 5-minute candle to close, but I guess this guy, he got too impatient. I got very impatient. I'm not gonna lie. I was already feeling it, like, why didn't I open a 0.4? But we all know that would have been real over risking. Even today, like, I used, how much margin? I used 10% of my margin. I risked, let's see, I had 1200, 10% would have been 120. So, oh, okay, I think I risked like, oh my god, rough numbers, 7 to 9% of the account. Say that again? 7%, 7 to 9%. Yeah. I mean, it's not a lot for what I was looking for. Like, my risk. No, I mean, me, I'm happy with. I'm tolerant to the risk, so it's fine.
Yeah, but the thing is, if you use 2, 3, 4 trades in a row, it's a thing that happens, in the best house.
Yeah, that's why there's limitations set. Like I won't do 10% all the time. This amount all the time is just. It was just under the conditions of the system. Even this trade for me, I ranked it at A minus. So A minus, I gave it an opportunity to use 10% of the margin. But ideally I want to use like 5%. 5% is default. 5% margin use is default. And then maybe if I'm losing a trade, then at most I'm probably losing 2.5%, 3%. But yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna wait for the next setup, which might be taking place either tomorrow because now today the move has already taken place. Unless obviously price just aggressively drives towards 78, then we can re-enter for sales. Okay. You see now? Nice. No, I just need to worry about the mustache. You know one mistake I did? I didn't put all the lights on. Okay. Whoa. And just like that, guys, clean shaved is the best. The best. Keeps you looking younger. And all that. Alright, so obviously the next part I'm not going to show you me getting in the shower, so we'll see you after I get out. Alright, so we're out of the house. I'm on my way to work. Man, it's quite warm, hence I'm in a vest. But yeah, so I think I definitely got out too early. But yeah, it's fine, lesson learned. Wait for the 30-minute candle to confirm, and then we'll see. But again, I feel like I can justify my point that I was worried about if price came to my entry, like how would I feel? Because last week, yeah, I know last week is the past, so actually I'm not gonna bring it up. But yeah, so now we're just gonna wait for the next setup. I think it'll be tomorrow, so not gonna trade, just gonna spectate the markets from the sidelines. Let me see if I can quickly cross. Man, my bag is heavy, literally, and my trousers is falling. It is not nice. But yeah. One sec, I'm just literally trying to pull up my trousers. Oh my god. Okay, trousers up. So yeah, we did leave the house late again for work, but it's not that bad because, yeah, I mean, it's 2:15 right now, and I still don't remember if I'm starting at either 3 or 4, so I could end up being there and just chilling for like an hour. So yeah, nothing much is going on. Everything's cool. I've figured out, I've hacked the system when it comes to uploading the videos onto the Google Drive, so that's a bonus. And yeah, now I've just got, oh yeah, I got holidays next week and the week after, but it's starting from Saturday, so I need to kind of organize what I'm gonna do. And then yeah, but yes, see you guys see you guys at work. It turns out I was supposed to start at 4 o'clock, so I'm literally just gonna chill on the terrace. I spoke with my manager. He said, yeah, it's okay, I can chill on the terrace. So yeah, I'm relaxing. I'm happy. I get to just chill in the sun. I've never really chilled in the sun like that before, but like when I'm usually working. The last time I done that, I remember I got let go from the workplace, and I thought, okay, fine then, I'm just gonna chill. And I was chilling in, I think it was not Hyde Park, it was in Green Park. I was chilling in Green Park, got a bottle of wine. I sat on the chair, I was drinking, enjoying, having ice cream, wine, easy life. So yeah, anyways, yeah. Oh, I'm good, T, I'm good. This is T, guys. Oh, you want to quickly say hello? This is for the vlog.
Oh, you're making a vlog?
Yeah, that's right.
That's good.
Yeah.
So,
anything you want to say about, like, anything motivational you want to say for the people?
People, for the motivational, I need more motivational than people, to be very honest. Working life is good, and we always help each other.
That's it.
Look for each other. And to be very honest, life, you have to be like a water, you know. You go to any place, you have to flow by that. That's the only thing I can say right now. Because I was a student in this country, then I got into the job, I finished my graduation. Still now I feel like I'm a water. I'm going to every pot and I'm taking the shape of it.
Nice,
So,
okay.
Yeah, that's the point of life.
Be water. I think you said that. Bruce Lee.
Yeah.
Be water, my friend.
Yeah, that's the point.
Yeah. No, nice. Okay. Thank you. So yeah, I've got like 55 minutes to start. So, well, I mean, I'll probably get started by 1:45 because I need to prepare my uniform and stuff. As you can see, I'm in a vest, and unfortunately, we can't work in a vest or topless. I haven't looked at the markets yet, but I think that, yeah, I mean, like I said, I don't think there'll be any opportunities for the rest of the day. so we can just literally wait. Maybe, yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait. Like I said, I'm expecting a retest around 78, 82. So if that happens, great. We get an opportunity to re-enter for sales, or maybe even we've already got the buys for price to just move up and start driving to beyond 400. And then GJ is bank holiday for the Japanese people, the people of Japan, I should say, sorry. And then Nasdaq, yeah, Nasdaq has continued to play around outside of our sell zone. So I don't know if you can see that properly. Yeah, so anyways, we're chilling. Today we're just gonna focus on work, make sure that we do the best we can, be water as T said, and yeah, try to enjoy the rest of the day. Halfway through the shift is nearly over. We got like, right now is 8:23, and yeah, the shift will be finished by midnight, hopefully. As long as we do the things correctly, should be done. But yeah, right now just more or less chilling. It's not good, but yeah, we are kind of chilling. Today's been alright. The market's fine. I feel like maybe we made maybe it was a good call to close the gold position, but not as soon as we did. We could have probably got in for an extra 100 pips, but it's okay. Thank you, Alex. I will admit, however, that... Oh, you know, I'm vlogging, sorry. I will admit, however, that I did see an opportunity with Nasdaq. So potentially we could find an opportunity maybe during the Asian session. Or just before the market closed. Well, actually, no, trading just before the market closes is a big mistake. But yeah, the Asian session we could find an opportunity. So we'd have to see, because we still need to wait for a 4-hour support above the sell zone, outside of the sell zone. So yeah, just gotta wait on that. And for now, we're just chilling, thinking about life. No, I'm playing, no, but yeah, just I still haven't thought about what I'm gonna do for the 2 weeks, but gonna be trading with Lorenzo in the New York session. But I say trading, but probably just market spectating. If yeah, market spectating at most, at least. And yeah, we'll just have to wait and see, my guys. But yeah, I'll probably be back with an interesting update or an impulsive reflection. And yeah, let's just crack on with the shift, get it over with. Our life is like this bottle right here, right? If we allow ourselves to get thrown inside, we get crushed. And really, it's up to us to choose if we want to get crushed or not. Right? No one else, you know. It's up to each of us if we want to get crushed or not, you know. One thing that's funny here is that if you notice, most of the days are all the same. I feel like I'm having deja vu. It's long, I'm not gonna lie. It's long, but still gotta do it. I realized that I can just walk through with the camera. I don't know though. I feel like now I'm just waffling for the sake of it. But yeah, just need to get some stuff now. I don't remember what exactly I need to get, but we'll leave that there. So as market approaches close and it's getting to the end of the day, I would like to end the vlog here because there's nothing much going on, and to be honest, yeah, it's getting kind of draining now, and yeah, hopefully tomorrow will be more exciting, more thrilling. So we'll wait and see. Yeah, we'll have to wait and see. But other than that, I would like to say thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.